Yes, ma'am. Before the course, I was literally like, I was like nothing, ma'am. I used to feel very down and I used to fear for each and everything. After the first class, after the orientation itself, I started like, yes, by seeing you, I got that energy, ma'am. Yes, she's the one that I was searching for from so many years. So I got that, ma'am. And then I joined the first class. I felt so good, ma'am. The techniques what you taught, the Oponopo technique, the first day what you taught, I am doing it. It is giving me a lot of energy and lot of shift in within myself.
Wow.
Every time, whenever I feel low, first image I'll get about you, and then I image of myself.
Uh,
The miraculous morning, whatever I go through, ma'am, everything is life changing event for me.
wow. I'm so happy. And abundance workshop, abundance also, you know?
Yes, ma'am.
You tell me that.
Abundance also, yes, I understood the value of money there, and also not only the money, the value of life and each and everything what we see around. And I felt, yes, I was abundant in many things. Till then, I was feeling like I was in that victim mode, ma'am. Now I am shifting towards the creator mode, as you said.
Good.
That is what I am seeing the change and micro actions, whatever you explained, all those things in each and everyday life, I am noticing myself, ma'am. Like previously, to only to get vegetables out of home, I used to think so much. I used to overthink. Now I myself came out